We'll guide you through how to force restart an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So for whatever reason you want to perform a forced restart, perhaps your iPhone is frozen, it's unresponsive, or something's gone and happened and you can't go and use your iPhone. A forced restart will go and solve the problem. And the great thing about it is that you don't need to go and touch the iPhone screen. We can actually do it with a button combination. This has got me out of a lot of annoying situations because it can be quite common for an iPhone to go and freeze, especially an older one, and perhaps you're using a glitchy app or something else which is causing the iPhone to go and freeze. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's this full guide to go and successfully force restart your iPhone. So as I said, we're doing this with a button combination. So what you need to do is first of all come onto the left, and you're going to be pressing the volume increase, this one here, then decrease, and you're then going to go and tap and hold the side button. And then you need to go and keep that held down until the Apple icon appears. I'm going to guide you through this and show you the process so you know what to expect. So press the volume increase, decrease, then tap and hold the side button. Now, my phone isn't frozen, so we're seeing this here. If it was frozen, you wouldn't see it. The iPhone is just going to remain the same, so don't worry. But it should then go black, but you keep it held down. As I said, you're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So at this point, you can now go and release it. And you can now go and see it's going to go and start. So be patient. It shouldn't go and take too long. The older iPhones do take a bit longer to go and start again, but newer ones are really rapid. So this shouldn't be too much longer. And after it's completed, the issue should be resolved, especially if it's a frozen or the phone screen is not working. Because it's now back on, I can swipe up. When you first come and start your iPhone, the passcode will need to be entered. You can't use Face ID. You just enter this incorrectly. And you can go and see I've now successfully unlocked the iPhone and we're using it. And hopefully the problem you're trying to fix has now been fixed. This can go and resolve other things other than the screen just being frozen. Perhaps an app isn't working or a feature's missing. Often doing a restart can go and solve it. So hopefully with the help of this video, you've now managed to go and successfully complete this. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides like this, and we'll hope to be able to go and resolve your next problem